tractora. Băi, prosti, gata. Hai, noroc, să dus. Marș, mă.
Du-te, băiește.
Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join LumberPro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. The sight of a massive tree falling is not only a display of nature's power, but also a part of the forest life cycle. Under controlled management, logging can be conducted safely and sustainably, ensuring a balance between development and environmental conservation. In the deep green forest, a modern forestry machine operates with great power. With its sturdy steel arm, it moves flexibly among massive trees, ready to perform its crucial task, cutting trees and pruning branches. With a powerful hydraulic system, the machine's arm extends and grips the tree trunk tightly. In just moments, the sharp saw blade begins to work, cutting through the wood fibers quickly and accurately. After the tree is felled, the machine's flexible cutting system efficiently removes the branches. Each large and small limb is neatly pruned, making the transportation process much easier. The image of a forestry machine cutting trees and pruning branches in the forest represents a major advancement in the logging industry. With the combination of human expertise and machinery, the wood harvesting process is optimized, paving the way for a more sustainable future. In the dense forest, the sharp roar of the chainsaw breaks the silence of nature. The logger, with a firm grip, guides the sharp blade through the tree trunk with precision. With each rotation of the chain, the saw glides through the rough bark, cutting deeper into the tough core of the wood. Sawdust and wood chips scatter into the air, forming a fine mist around the cutting area. With precise cuts, the massive tree begins to lean. The logger carefully watches, ensuring it falls in the intended direction. Cracking sounds echo as the fibers of the wood slowly break apart from the base. The chainsaw is an essential tool that makes logging more efficient. With modern technology and the expertise of skilled workers, the cutting process is swift while maintaining safety and accuracy. The image of a chainsaw at work in the forest represents the fusion of forestry techniques and modern technology. When used correctly, it not only enhances efficiency but also supports sustainable forest management. Using a chainsaw comes with various dangers, but by following safety measures, we can minimize risks and work more efficiently. Always wear proper protective gear and use the correct techniques to safeguard yourself and those around you. On the rugged roads deep in the forest, the timber transport trucks move forward like mighty war horses. Carrying massive logs on their backs, they push through muddy paths and climb steep hills without hesitation. Under the weight of the timber, their wheels press firmly into the ground, leaving behind traces of their journey through nature's challenges. Each trip is not just a transportation task, but a symbol of endurance and resilience in the face of adversity. However, when faced with steep and slippery slopes, assistance from a towing device or excavator becomes crucial to prevent the truck from getting stuck or losing traction. At times, the driver must skillfully balance acceleration and load adjustment to maintain stability. Under the weight of the logs, their wheels press firmly into the ground, leaving traces of their journey through the challenges of nature. Each trip is not only a transportation mission, but also a symbol of perseverance and resilience in the face of adversity. During timber transport, accidents are inevitable, especially when navigating rough terrain, steep slopes, and slippery paths deep in the forest. The risks include truck rollovers, broken log restraints, loss of control on downhill slopes, or skidding in muddy conditions. This is why the experience of seasoned drivers is the key to ensuring safety. They must not only have excellent vehicle control, but also the ability to assess terrain, handle emergencies, and coordinate with support equipment when necessary. With skill and quick reflexes, experienced drivers help these heavy trucks overcome all challenges, ensuring the safe delivery of timber.
Yo, yo, yo!
Inside the sawmill, sharp chainsaws work relentlessly, filling the air with a loud, echoing buzz. The whirring sound of the saw blades slicing through the wood fibers blends with the roaring engine, creating a rhythmic and industrious atmosphere. Large round logs are fed into the machine, quickly transformed into smooth, precise planks according to the desired measurements. Under the power of the chainsaws, rough tree trunks gradually take shape, ready for the next stage of processing. The rough outer bark is stripped away, revealing the beautiful natural grain of the wood. Tiny wood chips scatter in the air, reflecting the bright workshop lights. Workers carefully monitor the cutting process, adjusting the saw speed to ensure each plank has the perfect thickness. Outside the sawmill, neatly stacked piles of processed timber await transportation to the next stage of production. As the saw blade makes contact with the log, precise cuts begin to form, separating planks with perfect thickness. Workers in the mill remain fully focused, carefully monitoring every movement of the machinery. Others quickly gather the newly cut planks, stacking them neatly for further processing. Chainsaws not only accelerate production but also ensure high precision, allowing each wooden plank to be uniform in size. With every pass of the saw blade, rough logs are gradually transformed into smooth, refined boards, ready for the next stages of production. The buzzing saw echoes through the workspace, harmonizing with the rhythmic labor of skilled workers. The stump and log grinding machine is an essential piece of equipment in the forestry industry. It helps remove the tough outer bark, smooths the surface, and processes remaining stumps after logging. With powerful rotating grinding blades, the machine quickly cleans the logs, making the next processing stages more efficient. The stump and log grinding machine is an essential piece of equipment in the forestry industry. It helps remove the tough outer bark, smooths the surface, and processes remaining stumps after logging. With powerful rotating grinding blades, the machine quickly cleans the logs, making the next processing stages more efficient. Grinding and chipping machines optimize the wood harvesting and processing process, reducing resource waste. They allow wood to be processed quickly, cleanly, and efficiently reused. Additionally, using these machines contributes to environmental protection by maximizing the utilization of forest resources. The journey of logging is not just about the power of machines, but also the skill and experience of workers. Every log is harvested, transported, and processed with expertise, creating new values for life. Stay with us to discover more exciting moments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos.